Hello, welcome to Forever Figueroa. Today we are going to show you how to make a DIY farmhouse dog kennel table.
Yes, hello.
That's my husband, Raul. And I'm Diane. Thank you for joining us here at Forever Figueroa.
This video is going to go really fast, but what I did was pretty much just copy the dining table that we had, just made it longer so that would fit on the outside of the kennels. I went with the same height for the legs. I pretty much used the same size of wood and everything that I got from Home Depot. Nothing too wild.
Now we're using this stain. Home Depot had like hundreds of stains. This one I thought was really pretty, so I picked it out. I was stuck between this one and a gray color.
Oh, but I told her not to get the gray.
Yeah, we found this. I don't know what color it is, but it's so pretty. It's like a mocha.
If you choose to do this, you can pick your own color. Something great.
Now we are using satin white spray paint.
We spray paint because we try to like use the brush, but we find that kind of paint always peels off. Maybe I'm using the wrong stuff, I don't know. But we went with spray paint on this and it turned out very great. So I was pretty much done, or so I thought, but my wife asked that I put X's on the table. And, being the great husband that I am, I put X's on it.
To give it the farmhouse look. Because that's what we're going for in our house.
Someday we'll have a farmhouse and it'll be great.
It'll be totally great. We'll have chickens.
Don't forget a horse.
And goats. Goats would be cool.
Maybe a porcupine.
Pigs. So there you have it. This thing's actually very practical. Provides a lot of extra counter space. And it tucks the kennels away so they're not a complete eyesore.
Yes, when people come into our home, instead of seeing two huge dog kennels, they now see this lovely farmhouse table where our amazing dogs are in when they nap and when they're just tucked away so they don't bother company.
Or in trouble.
Yes, when they're in trouble, they get put in there. But anyways, Amax and Arrows love their cozy new space, and so do I. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I don't.
Goes in there once in a while too.
when I'm in trouble.
She's in trouble.
Anyways, my husband stayed the night in there twice. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. If you would like any more details on how we made this table, go ahead and comment below.